This is $6.99. It's a good deal. Here's the discount shelf. What's on there? Iced refreshers. Doesn't look like much today. Okay, we're gonna get some tortillas. I like to make quesadillas with these. Okay guys, I'm getting this. I'm gonna be fat ass. And he's getting these. These actually look really good. Look at you guys, there's hot honey Ritz. Okay.
Mama.
My daughter's showing me the candies. Maybe not. Sushi.